Hello all, my name is Pranam and today we are going to see how to use a ink pen, tips for ink pen. So before we start our topic, I am going to explain you that why I always say that everything is art. So in Hindi, art means kala. So in Hindi, the kala means everything like dancing is kala, singing is kala, writing is kala, reading is kala, gardening is kala. Even eating your food is also a kala. So that's why I say everything is arts, which means everything is kala. So let's start our topic now. So here it is. I have taken ink or a fountain pen, ink and a tissue paper to do not let your hands get messy. See, I didn't use tissue paper, then see what happened to my hands. So please use a tissue paper. Okay, so let's start. So this is a Camlin Elegante fountain pen. So I open it. It has like this nib. You can see how it has a nib. And then when you open this pen like this, you will see like this. So this is a pump or a ink holder in which we fill the ink. So now it is used, but if you are buying a new, there should be no spot of ink on it. If there is a spot of ink on it, that means your ink pen is used. So I will keep this tissue paper aside and put this nib also aside. So before we fill it, I will tell you that how I open the ink pen now. Like that also you open, and on every Sunday you please wash it. So means it will be work clear. If you will not wash it, the ink get dries and jams in the small line from where the ink comes, and then your ink pen will not work. So your money will all go waste. So let's start. We will open the ink bottle. Please be very careful. If the ink spoils, you are gone. So I will take a tissue paper first. I will just tear a small piece. Please do not waste the tissue paper. Just tear the small piece. Fold that. And just take your ink bottle and rub it. Clean it, just clean it like this. See how much ink. Thank God that my hands are not spoiled, so that I can touch it clearly. See, anything happened? Nothing. So I will take the pump. First I will do it like this. See, the bubble has came. Just see. So I will put this blue here, and now what I will do? Again spoiled. See, now what I will do? I will put this inside and take the ink outside. See, now it has filled. Please do not fill it full. Keep like this air bubbles inside, so that it will get pressure and ink will come fast. You don't need to again and again open it. So now main part is here. We will take the tissue paper. See, as you put this inside the ink, it gets ink. It gets color. So please first erase it. First clean it. Otherwise your desk will be spoiled. We'll keep these tissue paper pieces aside. And now first I will close the ink bottle because I scare much to ink. And we will take this, and do not just press it so that your ink will get spoiled or some fragile part will break inside. Just put like this. When you just attach it, it automatically gets inside. So attach it, and your ink pen is ready to write. So see, this is a used pen, so here I write, the ink will come directly. But if you are taking a new pen, the ink will not come directly. So just what to do, just shrink it little bit, not so much. And if we shake it so much, what happens? You have saw in the Tom and Jerry cartoon, when Jerry just shakes it highly, the Tom's face gets blue. So just shake just like this, so that ink will not come outside. And let us see how it writes. So see, first I will tell you, while writing there are two options. If your handwriting is coming good from here like this, then you should hold like this. Or if your handwriting is coming good by holding this, you should hold like this. My handwriting comes good when I hold like this. And see, the nib should be always straight, not like this, or not like this also. It should be always a straight. So let's write something. See how it is written. Then how our handwriting comes nice. So like this. So we will now close the ink pen. Please do not keep it open. If you are going for 1 second also, please do not keep it open. Otherwise it dries. You will be feeling that we need to maintain it so much. So much. But if you write with the ink pen, your handwriting will come like a computer, I say. Now see how my handwriting is coming. And here, if I write with the ball pen, my handwriting will be bad, very bad. See, I will show you an example of it. So this is the example of my handwriting with the ball pen. So I suggest you that if you are new to use a pen, so please first use the ink pen, because it repairs your handwriting much better. Now I tell you that you would be having doubt that what is ink pen and what is a fountain pen. So I will tell you clearly that they both are same. Ink pen is also same and ball pen is also same. Just a difference is means not ball pen, fountain pen. So just a difference is the fountain pen ink comes like that. How I showed you here. It is light, and the ink pen ink comes darker than this, which is concentrated. So this was our video for today. And if you are having a doubt of washing the ink pen, for that I will also put a new video. So for today, bye. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.